Good morning, my dear third semester electrical students. Today, I will discuss what is steam boiler or steam generator, what is the function of steam boiler, and important terms used in an steam boiler. First of all, what is boiler? Generally, boiler is a device which is used for generating steam. As a boiler is an enclosed chamber, the pressure of steam is always above atmospheric pressure. In a boiler, steam is produced by the conversion of water. Generally, the main source of steam is boiler, which is cheap and plentifully available in nature. The generated steam is supplied to operating steam engines and steam turbines, etc. The steam thus generated is used for first power generation, heating purposes, and utilization of steam for industrial process. Now, I will discuss what is power generation. Generally, mechanical work or electrical power may be generated by expanding in the steam engines or steam turbines. Second point is heating purposes. The steam is utilized for heating the residential and industrial buildings in cold weather and for producing hot water for hot water supply. Third point is utilization of steam for industrial process. The generated steam may also be used for process work like cotton mills, chemical industry, and sugar factories, etc. Now, I will discuss what is important terms used in steam boiler. Now, I will discuss what is boiler cell. Boiler is made of steel plates. They are bent into cylindrical form and riveted or welded together. It is closed by two end plates. The boiler cell should have sufficient capacity to contain water and steam. Next point, what is combustion chamber? It is provided below the boiler cell. It is meant for burning the fuel in order to produce steam from the water contained in the cell. Now, next point, grate. It is a platform upon which the fuel like coal or wood is actually burnt. Generally, the grate consists of cast iron bars which are spaced apart so that air which is required for combustion can pass through them. Then next point is grate surface. The surface area of the grate over which the fire takes place is called grate surface. Now, I will discuss what is the function of furnace. It is provided above the grate and below the boiler cell, in which fuel is actually burnt. The furnace is also called as fire box. Next point, heating surface. It is that part of boiler surface which is exposed to the fire or hot gases from the fire. Next point, flue gas. Generally, flue gases are hot gases produced due to the combustion of the fuel in the boiler furnace. Flue gas usually contains water vapor, that is H2O, carbon monoxide, that is CO, and nitrogen, N2. Flue gas includes complete and incomplete products of combustion of fuel. Then next point is water space and steam space. Water space is that volume of the boiler which is occupied by water. Remaining space is called steam space. Why it is called steam space? Because it is needed for storage of steam in the boiler until it is drawn off through the steam pipe. Next point, I will discuss what is mounting of a boiler. Next point is mounting of a boiler. These are the fittings which are mounted on the boiler for its proper functioning. These fittings include water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valve, blow off cock, manhole, etc. A boiler cannot functioning without mounting. The next point is accessories of the boiler. They are the devices and integral part of a boiler. They include superheater, economizer, feed pump, etc. The accessories help in controlling and running the boiler efficiently. Next class, I will discuss what are the classification of boiler. Thank you.